having a sugar snack because my nerves are fried. I'll show you why though. Okay, so we tried to film this for you, but the camera was full. So my wide body is partially mounted in the front and my wheels are on. So we got wheels on, but these right here made me so freaking nauseous because it's a big job. Like, it's kind of scary. Ouch, stepping on lug nuts. But it's kind of scary when you put like your first holes in your car and like, yeah, Jordan's done it, but like 3 years ago, so I think he forgets. But yeah, so it's on. We're going to suck that front wheel up. Right now we've got a 1-inch spacer behind it just because the faces hit my Brembos. So yeah.
Until you get to the bottom.
So Jordan just pulled up a chair. He's
supervising.
But yeah, so right now the wheels have a 1-inch spacer because of my Brembos. The faces don't quite clear them, so we figured it out with shims. Like a 3/4 inch will do it, but we're gonna see if a 1-inch will fit it. So what I have to do is I have to finish putting these holes in, and then Jordan is gonna have to come over and hold this kind of down while I put these few in, just so it's nice and tight. And then we'll suck that wheel up, and hopefully this phone stops having issues so that we can actually film that for you. But yeah, I'll get to it. Maybe Jordan can film from his supervisor spot, and then you can see what's going on. Now I just have to figure out this issue. It's a good thing that I have camber adjustment on my bags. So we'll have to play with that. But I do have a front flare that is fully screwed onto the car, just using oh my goodness, what are they called? Self tappers. There we go. Just to keep it tight on there, and then we'll get some nice bolts and put them in there with some rib nuts. But yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. See if I can. There we go. I like it.
Minus the poke.
Yeah, we'll fix it.
There's a lot of poke. Give her some camber. Oh, the camber.
What have you done? Oh, you're still on 0.5.
Yeah, I left on 0.5 because now you can see the whole view. I know like the camera is like a little bit in there, but like you can see this pretty body line here that comes down, and then the flare just keeps it going. It's like, ah. Okay, so the rear flare is bolted. We did that today. We had Colby come over and help us hold it. This one here, I don't know if it's being weird focusing today, but that one there, it looks like it's just a dent. I haven't quite decided if I'm going to either like Dremel that out so that I can put a bolt there or just fill it. But yeah, like everything looks pretty good. The wheel right now is at like full air up height. I can suck that up and then show you guys what it looks like kind of all jacked up. So give me a second and I'll get that done too. So that will be full air down. So once we've got wheel or tires on those wheels, I think that should be like some pretty tight fitment. Mentally preparing.
There's the grinder.
Yeah.
Wheels off.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay.
As soon as you scratch it, it kind of gets better.
Thanks. Oh my god.
It's half the reason we left the midnight purple on, so we didn't need to worry about scuffing the green and then having to fix it. Makes it a little easier.
I seriously feel like I could puke.
Let's do it. You want me to do it?
No. I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Did it.
Bend her open. Breaking off of the back.
Oh, yuck.
Oh, it's a good thing we're cutting this out.
We didn't cut far enough.
You'll need to trim it on the back.
Ta-da! It's like a screwdriver swing. That is no bueno.
It made me that.
Are you sad mommy wrecked your car? Okay. She's just gonna peel the wrap up like an inch from the cut kind of deal, so that we can bend these tabs up and then tack them to the car. I know a lot of people use self-tappers and then just undercoat over top of that, but I don't know, I've always welded it and at least I don't ever need to worry about something coming loose.
Ta-da! I did it! So I think it looks pretty good, actually. I'm trying to do this the wrong way here. There you go. Now you can see. So it's been basically like, it had 3 layers in there. So I hammered the layers up flat to this. And then once they were flat-ish, hammered these around the edges. So we'll come in here with a welder, basically like pull these down, weld it in the back, and then you have to put like a sealer over it once it's all welded. But that is my rear. So I just got a phone call from my tire shop and they had an open up today. It wasn't supposed to be till Friday, but we're gonna take them today and get the tires on the wheels.
Yeah, we're just gonna put on this and then we're gonna take it out and then they're just gonna work until it's done and we will put the wheels on.
Yeah, which means that today is the day that we get to test our fitment. Oh, that's really dark. Hold on, there we go. So we got them. They're in the back. They're all done.
They're covered.
All mounted. He got all of them to balance, which is great. So I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna unload them, and then when Jordan gets home, we'll do some test fits. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so I was right. I need to nick like just like right there. I just gotta make it like more of a curve around it. But yeah, oh my god. Hold on, actually, I'm gonna do something. Okay. They've been trimmed. You can see the lip is cut out there. This is the fitment we're looking at. Holy shit.
Damn near under the lip. I'm white. Frosty the Snowman.
What the fuck? Fuck.
I think you can put a receipt in that one.
You on the tire? Oh my god. Yeah. Well, I had to back up a long way. So okay.
You gonna make it a different color?
Yeah. Oh, wrong one. I got too many LED apps. Should we just put it to rainbow?
That looks like blue.
That is. Hold on. I got 200 modes. We're gonna be here a minute. I wish they had one. Hold on. Maybe we'll do this way.
Logo's got too many options.
Right there? Is that kind of close to what we're doing?
The queen of the peep.
Yeah, definitely gonna cry. No, don't.
That's a good thing. That means you did the right thing. You did it all yourself. That right there. That's what it's about. We don't do this for anybody but ourselves. That's your car.
That's just crazy.
Stock body versus wide. Look at that. One side, one not. So thick, dude. There's a bump there.